Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix software lag and optimize performance on the iPhone 17e. So if you feel like your phone is running poorly and not at its best, there are a few things that you can do to make the performance better. And the first one would be to just simply restart the device. And to do that, all you need to do is either hold the power button and the volume up buttons at the same time until this menu pops up and slide this button to power the phone off. Or you can do it through the control panel by scrolling up here and then tapping on this icon right here. And then there we go, and just slide to power off again. So once your phone restarts, it's going to do a little reset and it might start running better. Now the next thing that you can try doing is disabling visual effects. So if you go to settings and then scroll down to accessibility and then tap on motion and enable reduce motion, then it's going to disable some of the animations on the phone. So for example, as you can see, the opening and closing app animations are different. The animations for the recently opened tabs are different. And that pretty much reduces animations and makes the performance a little better. The next thing that you can try doing is seeing if your phone is on the latest iOS version. And if not, then you should update it. Now if you go to settings and then scroll down to general and then tap on software update, it's going to look for software updates and it's going to let you know if your phone needs an update. So let's wait for it to finish checking for the updates and we will see. So there we go, it has finished loading, and as you can see, there is a new download available. So it's suggested to update it, so all you need to do is click on update now, enter your passcode, and it's going to start downloading the new update. And once it's done downloading, your phone is going to restart, install all of it on the phone, and you're going to have the latest software. And that may also help with performance. The next thing that you can try doing is checking if your iPhone storage is full and then freeing up some of the space. So if you go to general, iPhone storage, we can see how much of our phone storage is taken up. So currently my storage is pretty free, but if yours is almost filled or totally filled, it's recommended to empty out some space by either sending some of the files to iCloud or just straight up deleting them. And the other thing, and the last one, is you can try clearing the Safari cache. So if you use Safari a lot or a different search engine, it's going to save up some of the files on your phone, and that may cause it to slow down. So if you go to settings, scroll down to apps, and then scroll down to the Safari app, and then scroll down again until we go to the history and website data option. We can click on clear history and website data, and you can clear everything and then close all tabs and click on clear history, and it's going to pretty much reset your Safari app. So right now, as you can see, it's fully reset. I don't have any tabs open. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.